Hello friends, today I will explain the machine control terminology. The machine control terminology are nothing but terms or words used in naming the control circuits or labeling the switch positions on the control panel or to describe the modes of operation of a machine. For safety purposes, these words have are clearly used in the machine control system and they have no other meaning. Important term in machine control terminology. The first term is on. In this state, the electric supply is given to the machine and the control circuit. Now the machine is ready for any operation. This state is also called as standby state of the machine. In this state, if a key or a switch is pressed, then the machine will perform the action indicated by the key. The next term in machine control terminology is off. In this state, the electric power supply is removed from the machine and its control circuit. So, in this state, pressing any keys or switches on the machine does not have any effect on the machine. The next important term is run. In this state, the machine is performing an operation or the task for which it is designed. For example, if it is a drilling machine, it will start the drilling operation. If it is a milling machine, it will start the milling operation. Now, there may be a slight confusion with on. Let us understand the difference. Run means the machine in operation, and on means only the power supply is given to the machine and the machine is not performing any operation. The next important terminology is stop. If the machine is performing any operation, pressing the stop switch will cause the operation to stop. For example, if the machine is performing drilling, pressing the stop will stop the drilling process. But the power supply to the machine is still on. Only the operation will stop. The next term is jog. When the jog is turned on, the machine table or the tool can be moved by a very small amount. This is used for accurate positioning of the workpiece or the tool. Now, for example, in case of the VMC, when the jog mode is turned on, the table can be moved by very small amount in either the X or Y direction, and this is used for positioning or zero setting of the fixture. In some machines, instead of the jog, the word inch is used, but it has the same meaning and same function as jog. To prevent accidents, the machine should not go from jog or the inch mode to the run mode automatically. The next term is cycle. In cycle mode, the machine runs for one cycle and automatically stops after that cycle is over. To start the next cycle, the cycle button or the cycle switch must be made off and then turned on again. If the cycle button is kept on, the machine will run only for one cycle. So keeping the cycle button on will not cause the machine to run for more than one cycle. This mode is sometimes also labeled as single cycle. Two hand operation. When this mode is on, the machine will not run or cycle unless two buttons are pressed simultaneously by left and right hand of the operator. This ensures that both hands of the operator are away from the machine when it starts operation. This ensures the safety of the operator. It avoids the accidents caused when feeding the machine. Now, to ensure the safety, the distance between the two buttons must be such that they cannot be pressed by one arm by using a hand and elbow. To summarize the important terms in machine control terminology: off, on. These two conditions describe the power supply state to the machine. Run, stop. These two are related to the operating state of the machine. When the machine is in jog or inch mode, it enables to move the table or the tool by very small amount for accurate positioning. Cycle or single cycle, and two hand operation. That's all in the machine control terminology. Thank you.